And yeah, we gotta fix this nightmare. What a nightmare. This won't last long, and it's only 7 months old. Gap there, so we've floated it across and closed it off. Or my brother, look at this beautiful gate. I love the hardware. I think he got it from Amazon. Beautiful hardware. And then of course the back. Again, the other company had the post here on the inside of the gutter, and it just wasted a lot of room. Yeah. Where'd y'all get these brackets, the hardware? Amazon? It's nice. It's simple but really nice and matted.